Gypsum products are robust, which makes installation easier and less stressful. But it doesn't mean they cannot break if not handled correctly. They need to be protected from external elements like rain and snow, and you should be careful not to bump into hard objects that could damage them. When the products leave the factory, they are well protected with shrink-wrapped plastic and placed on a pallet. Each pallet comes with a pair of gloves to protect the products during handling, plus a handling manual for that specific product. You should always use a knife to open a pallet and a box of tiles, taking great care not to cut into the products inside. When cutting into a box of tiles, always cut into the cardboard and not the top of the box, to avoid cutting into and damaging the tiles. A huge benefit of Gyptone products is the ability to apply load on the products without using any kind of reinforcement or additional hangers. Each Gyptone tile can handle a load of up to 3 kilos in each square meter of ceiling. Gyptone also has products with unique loading capacities compared to competitors. Gyptone Edge D2 for concealed grids can be loaded with up to 1 kilo,